Right, here we am, Warren's all riding stables. I've got to get some straw, but this is where I come for my liquid manure, which you can see down there, the puddles. If I knew there was this much, I'd have bought me stuff to get some. There's a bloke just left, and he bought a trailer in, and he wheeled his barrow up to there, and he got some of the old stuff. That's been there for bloody moons. There ain't no worms in because I've took everything out on it, it's broke down. But for top dressing, or if you've got rubbish soil, clay soil, anything like that, it's ideal. But all this is muck, it's been there for here for bloody moons. It's like black gold. There's another good dollop in there. Get it? It's like bloody peat. Beautiful stuff. Excellent. So you can either get the old stuff, nuggets, fresh stuff, but I'm up here today just to get the straw. The one cock up I did one year, I got the hay instead of the straw, and all the crap I had growing out of it, i.e. weeds and shit, so now I just make sure I get the straw. Good thing about getting the straw, you get a bonus because you get a nugget in it, which will not top dress whatever I planted out with the straw. You'll get a bit of grub as well. I'm just getting this straw out here. The trouble is, see the bloody shit flies. When you drive home, you've got to breathe through your ears. Now we ain't had no rain for a couple of days, but just going under here, look at the bloody worms, bloody hordes on them. So I shall get another bag out. I mean, I've got my worms anyway, but you can never have too many. Look at them, beautiful. This is worm porn, this is. I'm licking this bloody lot. Look at them. All I need is the ideal conditions, i.e. bit of moisture, bit of warmth, and they'll get going. Exactly the same as in your compost heap or your leaf mould bin. Right, nearly loaded the car up, so that's it. That's your quick perv round the me manure heap. Have a good one.